Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode here at Tribal Trades, the Altcoin show, coming at you daily, 6 days a week from the great state of Florida. One hell of a drug. And I do want to welcome you to the channel wherever you are tuning in from around the world. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to talk about the one chain to rule them all. We're also going to look at some of the big plays that we've had on this channel. One such play went 18,000% since I shared that. Is it too late to get in, or are we actually still very early? There are a bunch of other trades setups that I'm going to get here. Of course, we've got the giveaway. You need to find out how you can be. If you are not already entered and eligible, we gave away the first bunch of tokens yesterday. We're going to give away some more tokens today. But before we get into all of that, of course, as always, you're a regular watcher, you knew I was going to do this. Smash that like button. This helps get this content out to more people and does help support the channel. I really do appreciate all the kind words that people leave in the comment section. You take the time to write them. I take the time to read them and respond to every single one of those. And the questions that get asked there also, I do get back to those as soon as I am able to, with an emphasis on as soon as I am able to. Of course, we have the wonderful Discord below. If you click on the more button below, you might have to click on the more button. It's in the description of this video. Right at the top is the Discord, the most amazing people on the planet in the Stocks with Josh Discord. I am in the crypto channel there daily. There is also now a meme channel. I have my own Crowned Traders channel in there as well, where I'm sharing education and resources and some trade setups that I am in, and of course entertainment, because I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Are you not entertained by 18,000%? We're going to look at that. I know you're going to guess what that coin is. We got some other coins that we're going to look at as well. But before we jump into what that coin is, the one chain that could rule them all, the giveaway. We gave away yesterday. We gave away coins from Susi. And we've got more coins to give away today. We're going to keep giving away. The bags have grown, I believe, well over $25,000 worth of giveaway coins that I'm going to get out to people there. You guys, you're the people. You're the amazing community here, 9,000, over 9,000 strong. And if you want to know how you can be eligible, you must look at the description of this video, and the steps are clearly there. Number one, you've got to be following me on X. Okay, that's number one. Number two, you've got to comment on the top pinned giveaway post. So so you can tell me, yes, you just comment. Okay, that's all you got to do. You got to comment. And then number three, you need to make sure you're following all the wonderful meme coins and partners that have given their tokens to our community, friends of the channel. I should say friends of the channel. I like that better. They're really friends of the channel. To our friends of the channel, you got to follow all of their X accounts as well. And you obviously have to be subscribed to, you have to be a Tribal Trades community member. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel here as well. And we did verify and validate the very first winner. They received their tokens yesterday. You can see that on my Twitter X account there. So make sure that you do not miss out. There's some credible giveaways. And of course, as these coins get bigger and bigger, the rewards are going to get bigger and bigger. And of course, we may have some more as well upcoming. I believe we have some more upcoming. So we'll stay tuned for that. Okay, one chain to rule them all. If you haven't guessed it, it's Sui, of course, the main character in the cycle, just showing the excitement and buzz there is around the Sui chain. The 1,000K to 100K challenge that we're doing on the Stocks with Josh Discord. You can be a part of that. You can check out the Sui coin, the meme coins that I'm trading in my cheat sheet. And many of the questions, so many questions that I get, and they are all answered. All of them are answered in my cheat sheet under the education section of the cheat sheet. I have got 4 Sui meme challenge tutorials there that you can watch step by step to be ready for the play. I've got the common errors that I've found that people have encountered. I've got frequently asked questions, and if I find there are any new common errors or frequently asked questions, I will put them there. And so I can tell you, I have not yet been asked one single question, either in the Discord or from the YouTube channel, about something that has not already been covered here. So this is your go-to place. This is found, number one, in the Discord. You can find that in the Discord. Also, the Sui meme cheat sheet is in the Discord. That's only available for people in the Discord, but I have added these things here in my own cheat sheet. These are things that I need to see for what is my cheat sheet? Is my crypto trading journey for success, all the resources, education, tons of trades in there, and setups and other things. You can check all of that out. You can find it in an older video. Go back to like November the 1st and you'll find it in the description of this video. This is a live document. Make sure that you are saving that. You can save that link somewhere. Just put it somewhere, save it, have it open always on your browser like I do. This is my crypto roadmap for success, mine. And you're more than welcome to follow along with it. And also, of course, you can save it to your favorites tab in your browser, for example. So Sui is the chain. And of course, Sui is the new cycle L1 king. I believe it. I believe it. And then, of course, this was the trade that we gave just on December the 10th. That has been a 300% plus trade so far. It's Cppo, the gangster meme coin here, Cppo Sui. And we gave that trade. You can see the day and the time, Eastern Standard Time, I believe, 0.00041, and it did over 300%. We're going to look at that chart in just a moment there. And of course, we are entering into, I believe, the parabolic phase of the bull market. Bitcoin dominance going up is not good for alts. And we can look at Bitcoin dominance as well. And the Bitcoin dominance should have something that you see on your charts, but Bitcoin dominance going down means that more money is flowing into alts, okay? The percentages are changing, and so that's typically called alt season there. And so I think we'll see that through Christmas there, and then usually there is a bit of a big drop off in January, and then we continue on there. And I've talked about that in other videos, so I won't go into it here. But so you do see that if history repeats, we are seeing that cross there, and that could provide quite a further run for these tokens, okay? And if we look at Sui, I talked about Sui yesterday, a new all-time high. People ask me, oh, what about Sui? I was just doing what the whales were doing. There's the little mini bull flag there, and off we went there. And I was just doing what I feel the smart money and the whales were doing. I was just accumulating more Sui for my swing position. I haven't touched my hodl position. I still get the position. I haven't sold any tokens from my hodl position there. And in my swing position, I was accumulating more. I did some quick in and out scalping day trades. That's my third portfolio. I've shared that many times before. I do feel we are going to hit some firm. Of course, we've got some resistance coming up at $4.96, but I do really feel this will be the big level to break through of $5.62. We have multiple Fibonacci levels. So there's multiple Fibonacci levels there, Fibonacci stacking. You can see here, $4.91, it got stuck a little bit, getting up to there. It didn't quite actually get there, $4.87 by the looks, $4.91, $4.96, and then you got a little bit here, $5.62, $5.62, and then $5.57. So you can see there that there is going to be some resistance coming up there. And if you're not in Sui and you want to get in this trade, boy, I gave this trade back in my channel. This has done a 10x since I gave this trade on my channel back, I believe, in August. I was actually given the trade since May when we started this channel way back at the end of May. Well, not way back, 6 months ago at the end of May. What am I talking about? And we are 9,000 subscribers strong, and this is why we're doing this giveaway, just to thank the beautiful community that we have built there. Thank all of you for just being the amazing, incredible community that you are. Much love. And so there you get with that. And we are, if this comes back and holds the support at $4.61, then, of course, there could be a nice little swing trade or day trade there. I am going to have to update all my levels on my cheat sheet. I know people have been asking me about that. I do have to get those new levels in there, and I do have a daily trades tutorial in my cheat sheet, which is also on my YouTube channel, by the way. All those videos that I show my cheat sheet, by the way, are in my YouTube channel. I've just organized them there for you. Okay. And so there you have it there with Sui. And then let's have a look at the 18,000% trade Sonic. I gave this trade at 2 cents in the Discord. I gave it at 6 cents in the Discord again and on here on the YouTube channel. And this went up from 6 cents to $4.77. Now, if you got the 2 cent trade, and you held that and you haven't sold it, you're up 18,000%. If you got in at 6 cents, you're up around 8,000, maybe 9,000% on that particular trade. Is it too late to get in on the Sonic trade? These guys do not even have an exchange listing. Banana Gun, 10 million supply, have multiple exchange listings. I gave the Banana Gun trade at $29. And it went all the way up to $80. I think Banana Gun still has a lot of legs left in it. I still own Banana Gun. But Sonic is early, and Sonic is on more chains. Banana Gun's just on Ethereum base, I believe Solana, maybe one more. And Sonic, I lose count of how many chains. I think they're just pretty much on every chain that is out there. The sniping trading bot, the meme coin sniping bot, I'm going to call them, of this cycle. They don't even have an exchange listing yet. Not even exchange, not even one, not only Uno. They are just available via the Sui wallet, and that's why I have all of those tutorials. So this is an absolute incredible trade. Where could you have found out about this first? Here and the Tribal Trades channel. I looked into it. I've talked to the team. There is a Sonic giveaway coming your way as well. They are part of the giveaway. Absolutely incredible. Part of the giveaway there, along with Susi and Sui Jack. And of course, we've got some Cppo tokens as well to get out to the community. Okay, so where would be, so right now we're up at around this, pretty close to this Fibonacci level. The entry here could be at $3.03 there. If this was to hold as support there, that could be an area, that could be an entry, new Fibonacci range. I just keep having to add Fibonacci range because we're leaving this Fibonacci range behind. We left the previous ranges behind. I'm having to keep drawing new ones. This is but we also can trade off these ranges here. And if there are any numbers that match up, this is what I call Fibonacci stacking. We do see 337 and 333 there. So obviously we're above 333. We're coming at 337. So a break and a retest above 337, that could be placed into the trade. Or if we come down to this $3.03, if we hold that as support, that could be a place to enter the trade there. At this point, if I was buying and I had no Sonic at all, I would be buying a just-in-case bag. And let me explain it for those new subscribers. A just-in-case bag, if I had $300 to put towards this, I'd put $100 either here, if it comes down to $3.03, hold of support. It has to be a hold of support. I'm not going to put it in if it just smashes through it. Or a break and a retest of $3.37. Now, of course, you can just jump in here sometime if you're middle, dollar cost averaging, okay. But then I'm going to be putting orders down below. Okay, so just in case it takes off, I've got some skin in the game. Just in case it does a Banana Gun, does to $80, $100, $300. Who knows where this token could go? And also, just in case it drops lower, I'm like, oh, I haven't put a big amount of dough at this price level. I can add some lower to average down my price. That's what a just-in-case bag buy is called. Let's also look at one of the other incredible friends of the channel, Susi. This one here has taken off like a rocket ship here, and you can see the incredible gains we have done on this one here since I gave the call to buy at 0.0014-ish, somewhere around there. We have gone and done around 6,000% by the looks of it. 6,000%. It has come back a little bit. I want to give your attention to something here there that we are coming back. So this could be an area again for a just-in-case bag at 0.006, because you can say, oh, I'm late to this one. Well, how are you late? Let's have a look at was it Susi here? Sonic, let's have a look at Sonic. Sonic market cap is only 13 million. It's not even at 100 million, let alone a billion. Let's look at the Susi market cap here. Imagine if you'd sold Bonk before it got to a billion, or you thought, oh, I'm not going to buy this one because I'm too late to the party. This is only a market cap of 6 million. 6 million. I shared Blub on this channel when it was 6 million and it went to 80 million. And I believe Blub can still go and keep going. But I feel we're still very early on these ones here. So if you are, Imagine if this one does get to 100 million, which is going to be the first Sui meme coin, the race to 1 billion there, the race to 1 billion. So this is why I say the just in case bag can be good. So we look at this level here at 0.006. That if I didn't have any, again, if I didn't have any, this is where I'd add a just in case bag buy, and then I would add further buys down below. Now, of course, if it doesn't come down, my next level up here that I'm going to give you for Susi is going to be right at that 007 area there. That would be my next level that I would look at jumping in. If there was a break and a retest and a hold, and it holds that level, that's where I put my just in case bag buy there as well. Okay, that is for Susi. And let's look at Sui Jack. This is our third friend of the channel here. And look what you can see here, clear as day. That is a bull flag. And when it broke out, it went to banana zones here. And it looks like it's building another bull flag there on Sui Jack. And if that happens, we're going to see some more bananas. This is the entry I gave down here, 4 zeros and a 7 there. And so we're going to look at what that move was from there up, and we're going to go up, and that move is 11,000% since I gave the trade. Imagine if you go, oh, the trade's already gone here, there's nothing, oh, it's just a pump, I'm not buying there, I don't want to buy the top. Well, you know, this could end up very much being down the bottom here. This has gone up, and remember, this is Wojak on the Sui chain. Wojak went to 100 million. They're already on multiple exchanges, and now we have the Wojak of Sui on the Sui chain. So this one here is another friend of the channel there, and we're going to be giving away some Sui Jack tokens as well. We've already given away Susi tokens. We're going to be giving away some Sonic tokens as well there, of course. And so I'm going to have to draw. It's have to be a new Fibonacci range here, are we? We're still within the range. We're still within the range, so we don't have to. But look, it's coming up to this Fibonacci level here. If we can see, we're going to come in here at 3083. So if we reject here, obviously I'm not going to get entry. If we pump above here and retest, then I'm going to get that. If, again, I'm talking as if I had none of this coin, then this is where I put my just in case bag buy there. Otherwise, I would be looking at the next level down, which is going to be that 4072 level right there. And so those would be the levels. I'm either getting in here with a just in case bag buy or getting in here with a just in case bag buy there on that one. And then the last one we're going to look at is Cppo. Is Cppo. Where is Cppo? Cppo is down there. Look at me. I'm hiding Cppo, and we'll hide it again. And so Cppo, this is the most recent trade that I just shared about. What are we seeing here? We're saying the same bull flag pattern that we just saw on Sui Jack, and we saw what happened with that one. So again, this is possible. Listen, there are no guarantees. Do not risk money that you cannot afford to lose on these trades. So a just in case bag buy here. What are we looking at here? Let's have a look at these levels. We are at, so the level above would be about 1376. If we were to break above that level, retest as support and hold, that would be my entry for a just in case bag buy. Otherwise, we have, let's just stretch this out a little bit. It's gotten a little bit funky there. Look like we've got a level just around here, around that 13.2 level, which is right where it's above. So there's an entry right now. So if I don't have any Cppo, this is where I would put my first just in case bag buy. I'd probably put my next one below here at 2012, and then a third one here at 0011. I might even have a fourth one down here at 40 and a 9. You can split up. If you had $500, you can set it up into 4 or 5 different $100 buys. If you're putting 1,000 into here, if that's money that you feel that you can afford to lose, $1,000, you could split up 200, 200, 200, 200. But there is a bull flag pattern there. It means that we could come and range in here for a little bit before moving on upwards. All right, that's all I have time for on the show today. As always, until the next one, happy trading.